Hi, hello, good morning. Today I am going to show you how to make adai. Here I am taking 2.5 cup raw rice, quarter cup urad dal, quarter cup chana dal. Wash raw rice, chana dal and urad dal. After that soak with water 2 to 3 hours. Add red chilies also, fresh coconut. Grind it. Add jeera, pepper powder, hing and mix well. Here you can add coriander leaves, onion pieces or any uh, drumstick leaves, microgreen leaves. Heat pan. After heating the pan, make dosas. Little thicker. Sprinkle oil. Fry both sides. Our adai is ready to serve with butter, jaggery, onion chutney. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.